that each brad, when you push on it, will say something about him. So I hit the beginning. Now this one I would want to change, and I don't know how. So maybe
United States. I served as president from 1845 to 1849. I am best known for expanding the territory of the United States and added Texas and Wisconsin.
We used an Amazon thing to just show it how cool it was that the Amazon paint is.
Yeah, that is cool.
So
that it really worked.
You have to have your hand here, and then.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg has served on the Supreme Court for 15 years and is a strong gender equality and women's rights activist.
So my voice.
Justice Ginsburg has a collar she wears for different occasions in the Supreme Court.
My voice. So we have the tape, we have the brad. Every time one's hit, the earrings light up, which we tried to kind of make. We're used to seeing the Makey Makey on the back light up when something works, so to try to kind of train that in for them too is to, every time this lights up, something worked. We have her dissent speech box.
Equal protection principle is part of a constitution intended to govern American society as it evolves over time.
Have her actual voice, and then we have some conductive paint.
No, you don't. Conductive paint. It's your voice.